Well, that was the. I think I was also talking about people. It's important to have people who enable your dreams. I think we mentioned this, and
Yeah,
people. It's
yeah.
like because throughout your life, when you pursue new things, it's important to tell people you can do this because like I don't know if we are repeating ourselves from last podcast, but hopefully we aren't. Uh,
Hopefully, but that is something we can talk about. Yes,
yeah,
you do need someone to tell you that you can do things. You
yes,
gave an example of your boss in Portugal.
yeah. So like in India, like mostly in my experience, people have mostly told me like you can't do this, or they tell you 100 reasons why you're gonna go wrong or why it's so difficult. They always tell you that when they see you trying something new, that was like, oh, you're doing this wrong, this won't work, and they're always trying to demotivate you, and that doesn't affect some people,
Yeah,
and does affect some people, but to some extent, it mentally does affect your like motivation towards it. You're
yeah, it
you
affects
wanting to
everybody.
go
Yeah,
towards it. Yeah, like it
yeah,
creates like thousand blockades that you have to think about before pursuing it, instead if someone just said, hey, yeah, let's do this, hey, let's go for it, like, and then you're just like, oh, cool, I can do this, and then you just like try it. It gives you that encouragement. And I think like you, like even working with you, because both of us have been working since a long time, right? So working with you, and even like I
yeah,
mentioned, like my boss when I worked in Portugal, like these are like examples of people who are like always have been, whenever we say let's do this, you're like, yeah, sure, do it, let's do this together, let's see how this is, you want to do this thing, yeah, just go do it. Like there's never a no, or like it's never it's never like, oh no, you can't do this, this will go wrong, that'll go wrong. It's always enabling, and I think that makes people go for their dreams more. And that's what, if we tie back to One Piece, is what I think Luffy did
Luffy
for
does.
for the crew members, because he's like, hey, let's do like Zoro and stuff, like, oh, you want to be the best swordsman, let's go, come with my ship, I want to be Pirate King, let's go, let's make you best swordsman. Like he enables their dreams, right?
Yeah, that he does. He does enable all
Mm-hmm.
of their dreams. But at the same time, he also throws them an intense risk in almost every situation. So I'm not sure if he's really bent on enabling their dreams. Maybe he's just like, okay, if you guys live through this, if you guys don't die in all the crazy shit I'm going to put us through,
Yeah.
then your dreams can become enabled. Then you can achieve your dreams. But till then, shit luck for them, I guess.
Well, it's not easy being a pirate, in order to achieve your
It's
dreams.
not easy being a pirate in Luffy's crew. If
Yeah.
you look at other pirates, they seem to lead a lot calmer lives.
I
Like they
wouldn't
just
say
walk
so.
around, they just sail around, they just do whatever they want, they party, and then Luffy comes in, destroys everything, and runs away. And now you have a country in ruins and pirates that are trying to steal from that country in ruins. Well,
I don't think pirates have it that easy, dude. Have you seen the parts where the big marine ships and commanders go and destroy pirates for fun?
yeah, but that's only in like high pressure zones where the Marines have headquarters or they have like Fishman
Yeah,
Island,
yeah.
the Grand Line
Mm-hmm.
itself. Yeah, in those places.
Yeah.
That's not in East Blue. Shanks sat there for a whole year using it as his base of
Oh, that
operations.
is true.
He just sat there.
Yeah.
Like Shanks, one of the Yonka just sat in East Blue and he was like,
I chill, I drink
"Look at this
here.
little kid.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, he was just chilling,
I feed a
Mm-hmm.
devil fruit to this kid here."
Yeah. He was just trying to. Yeah. I think if you see their world, it's actually kind of fun for pirates, unlike the
Of
real
course it
world
is.
where, it's totally different
Real world
story.
was real fun for pirates as well. Okay, that's why pirates.
Was
There were
not
so many
not
pirates in history.
nowadays. Yeah, that was during the age of pirates. I'm talking about now.